Hey guys, welcome back to our channel App Tutorial. Today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can know if you are banned on Yubo. So I'm going to be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one. So if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. And now without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you're going to do is just try to log in to your account. So guys, there isn't any such option where you can check if you are banned or something, but what you can do is, so first thing, just try to log in with your account with your correct email and correct password. It will show error. The second thing what you can do is check your email, and then there might be having some, let's say, mails that will say your account is in the verge of ban and all. Even you will get some notifications, and also try to check from different account to this particular account, and then you will find the contents and profile information are all gone. So that indicates that you are banned on Yubo. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you're gonna know. So I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video.